This is Engineer Faisal Ijaz. Hope you will be fine. In this channel, I prepared detailed lectures for chemical engineers and also for associate engineers. In this channel, you will find playlists of different engineering subjects which will help you in your study, in your interviews, and also during your professional industrial life. So subscribe my channel for more videos. Hope you will be fine. This is Engineer Faisal Ijaz. Today I will present a lecture on pyrolysis process. With the help of this pyrolysis process, we convert plastic waste into fuel oil. Here you can see the process flow sheet of pyrolysis process, and in the contents of this lecture I will explain on which basis we are using pyrolysis process. After that I will explain the dumping process of plastic waste into soil and also into sea, and after that I will explain the method of pyrolysis process and how industrially we convert plastic waste into a useful fuel oil. Now I tell you about some properties of the plastic, and after that you will know that why we convert plastic into fuel. So according to first point, plastics are moldable polymers. It's mean these plastic materials at high temperature can be reused, can be recycled. According to second point, plastic can deform to a very high degree. It's mean after molding that material may convert into other shapes. So according to third, plastics are a range of organic compounds which are mostly synthetic, derived from petrochemicals. It's mean the raw materials are got from petrochemicals, and then these are made in industries synthetically. So now the plastics which are available in the market are not naturally plastics. They are made in industries, and the raw material is got from the petrochemical industries. According to fourth point, some plastics are also semi-synthetic, and they are made from renewable materials. According to 5 point, plastics are used in different applications like piping, plumbing, automobiles, furniture, toy industries, and medical equipments, etc. So due to an increase in human population, rapid economic growth, and continuous urbanization, the use and production of plastic is increasing very rapidly. Now I will present a brief introduction that why we convert plastic waste into fuel. So according to first point, plastics have a short lifespan, and these plastic wastes are increasing rapidly. So these plastic wastes are non-biodegradable. So if we do not convert that plastic waste into a useful fuel, then what will be happen? If dumped into the soil, then they are going to stay here for hundreds of years. As a result, that piece of land will be useless for growing crops and also for urbanization. So if we use the second option for the dumping of plastic waste, and that second option is dumping of that waste in the seas. So what will happen? It has lead to accumulation of plastic in various areas of oceans, and after a large accumulation, it will be threat to the sea life. The waste of plastic can be converted into useful able product with the help of pyrolysis process. So pyrolysis of plastic can be done to produce oil, and that oil used as a fuel. Pyrolysis process involves thermal degradation of plastic at different temperature in the absence of oxygen. So in this diagram you can see the pyrolysis chamber. So that process take place in this chamber. So what are the steps for the pyrolysis process? At first, we collect the raw material, which is plastic waste, and then we remove the impurities of that raw materials. And at third, we pre-treat that raw material. It's mean we grind that raw material to get a required size or a decreased size, which is preferable for the reaction. So that grinding material is entered into pyrolysis chamber after grinding. So the size of that grinded material should be reasonable, that the reaction take place smoothly and efficiently. After that, the grinded material is loaded in the pyrolysis chamber, and here we use a suitable catalyst. So to promote a specific type of chemical reaction, the temperature range may be between 200 to 900 centigrade, and that temperature range depend that what type of liquid is required from this process. So the grinding raw material in this pyrolysis chamber is melted, then it is vaporized, and then these vapor are passed through condensers, and then they convert into liquid. So that liquid is called oil, and it is sent for further processing, for further refining. After refining, this liquid used as a fuel, so it may be called a biofuel, and that category depend on the raw materials which are selected for it. So this oil is used for multi purposes, and this also may be used in cars. This is Engineer Faisal Ijaz. Hope you will be fine. In this channel, I prepared detailed lectures for chemical engineers and also for associate engineers. In this channel, you will find playlists of different engineering subjects which will help you in your study, in your interviews, and also during your professional industrial life. So subscribe my channel for more videos. This is Engineer Faisal Ijaz. Hope you will be fine. In this channel, I prepared detailed lectures for chemical engineers and also for associate engineers. In this channel, you will find playlists of different engineering subjects which will help you in your study, in your interviews, and also during your professional industrial life. So subscribe my channel for more videos.